This is what the crew is playing for, the Creator Classic title.
A special day at the inaugural Creator
Bragging rights
Classic.
for a lifetime.
No notes. Back to you, Jake.
Each one of these creators has their own team there with them too, and they will be creating some content from this event as well. So this thing's going all over the show.
Congratulate you as the first winner of the Creator Classic presented by Blackstone. And on behalf of Blackstone, we'd like to present you with the 36-inch Select Griddle to celebrate your victory.
It's cool to have all these big creators creating a wave with YouTube Golf and social media, and being able to win the first one is pretty special.